Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, it's me, Iqbal, your maths teacher. Today I'm going to teach you subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fraction. How to subtract fraction from another fractions. Okay, this from our 8th chapter, joining part. Okay, let's start. Subtraction of fractions. At first, let's study subtraction of like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. Do you know what is like fractions? If the denominator are same, that type of fractions is like fractions. Okay, at first I am giving a question to you, that is example 1. Question will be like this way: subtract 1 by 5 from 4 by 5. Okay, question: subtract 1 by 5 from 4 by 5. How can do this? How to do this? From which number we are subtracting? We want to write that number at first. Okay, here in this question we are subtracting 1 by 5 from 4 by 5. I'm doing answer. So I told you from which number we are subtracting, that number we want to write at first. So I am writing 4 by 5 minus this one, 1 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here check the denominator are same or not. In this case the denominator are same. Okay, we have 5 denominator and then second number also 5 denominator. If the denominator are same, then you can simply write the answer. That's equal to, you may do this one, 4 minus 5 as numerator. 4 minus 5, sorry, 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 as numerator, then divided by, give the common denominator, this one, common denominator 5. Then what is 4 minus 1? That's equal to 3. Is equal to 3 by 5. It is the final answer. Draw 2 lines. Okay, it's very simple. If the denominator are same, you may do the numerator, that is 4 minus 1 divided by 5. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, so you can write the answer 3 by 5. Next, one more question. Example 2. Subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 7. How can do this one? Subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 7. I told you from which number we are subtracting, we want to write that number at first. So I am writing 3 by 7. Then minus sign, 2 by 7. In this case, at first we want to check the denominator are same or not. Here in this case the denominator are same, so you can do this one, 3 minus 2 as numerator. 3 minus 2 divided by the common denominator, that is 7. So answer is 1 by 7. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 by 7. Let's stop that now. Okay, next is second method. Second, subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, what is unlike fraction? That is denominators are different, that is unlike fractions. I am giving a question to you. Example 1. Subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. Okay, we want to subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. Answer. At first we want to write 3 by 4. 3 by 4. From which number we are subtracting? At that. Then minus sign. Minus sign. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Subtracting 3 by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Here the denominators are different. So at first, okay, draw a line then which has less denominator, small denominator, that is 2 is less small. So we want to write the equal fractions of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, say, 2 by 4, that's equal to 3 by 6, that's equal to 4 by 8. Okay, that will continue. Then here 4 is denominator. Here in this is any number with 4 denominator? Yes, this one. Okay, let's mark that. So instead of 1 by 2, I want to write 2 by 4. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So I am writing is equal to, I am writing this at first, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus this minus sign. Then instead of 1 by 2, I am writing this one 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now the denominators are same. Okay, then 3 minus 2 as numerator is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by this common denominator 4, that's equal to 1 by 4. 3 minus 2 is 1, so answer is 1 by 4. Its final answer, drawing 2 lines. One more question, this one, example 2. Subtract 1 by 3 from 3 by 4. Answer. Here denominator are different. I told you to write this at first, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 3. Now I told you to write this equal fractions of this one, which has less denominator, this one, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6, that's equal to 3 by 9, that's equal to 4 by 12. Then we want to check, is any number with the denominator, this one 4, is any number with the denominator 4? No, there is no number with the denominator 4. So we want to write this also as equal fraction, 3 by 4. 3 by 4, that's equal to 6 by 8, that's equal to 9 by 12, that's equal to 12 by 16. Here with the denominator same, here 4 by 12 is there, here 9 by 12 is there. So instead of 3 by 4, we want to write 9 by 12. This number 9 by 12. Then minus sign, and this one 4 by 12. 4 by 12. Now you can do 9 minus 4 as numerator and 12 is the common denominator. That's equal to, how much is 9 minus 4? That is 5 divided by 12. Okay, it is the final answer. So draw 2 lines. Let's wind up now. Have a nice day. Thank you.